Welcome everyone. In today's video, we will solve AtCoder Beginner Contest 305 question A, which is water station. So this is a very good question for beginner. So here the problem statement states that there is a marathon course telling 100 kilometers where water stations are set up every 5 kilometers along this course, including the start, a goal, and the end. So in total, there is 21 means 0, 5, 10, as it is 95 to 100. So Taka says is at the end kilometer point of this course. Find the nearest water station to him under the constraints of this problem. So here the in constraints the n is given from 0 to 100. So in every question we must focus on constraint because it helps us build the answers and how the and help us manage the edge cases which might be forgot. So constraint is must to read. It is from 0 to 100. So here you can see the sample test cases. So 53. So the nearest one would be 55 because in 50 we have to go 3 step. In 55 we have to go 2 step only. So here it that's also explained for 21. As you know, obviously 20 is 100. So 100. So now let's try to solve this question. So here we have given, so let's understand this by example. So here it is point like 53. So here you can see the nearest pump would be at 50 kilometer. The next one would be at 55 kilometer. So let's take so here is value 1 and here is value 2. So what will be the value 1 will be? So it is nothing but a n by 5. N by 5 means 50 modulo 5, which gives us 10. So the modulo will be 3. So that is the distance. And here for value 2 distance, we just have to do like n value 1 plus value 2 is equal to 5. As you can see, 50 plus 5 will be 5. So value 2 is equal to 5 minus value 1. So here you can understand the idea how it will work. So now if you haven't tried this question, try with this intuition. Sorry for the bad handwriting, but I am just trying out this whiteboard. So here I have already written the code for this. So here you can see for int n we will input c in n, then the value will be n modulo 5 and the value 2 will be obviously 5 minus n modulo 5, or you can say value 1. So here if value 1 is less than value 2, value 1 will less than. So here if value 1 will be less than value 2, then we just have to do nothing but 50, here we have 53 is equal to n, then we just have to minus 3 which is value 1. So it will be 50 if it is less than, but here it is greater than, so we just have to do 53 plus value 2. 53 was value 2 which is equal to 55, which is the correct answer for this question. So here that's how it will run every 6, 21, 100, everything. I have already submitted this question and it is working absolutely fine for every edge cases. So that's how you have to think of every edge cases and build the intuition, try some pen paper, and then you can solve this question perfectly. If you have any doubt, then you can let me know in the comments. So that's it for this video. Thank you.